Okay guys, so in this video let me show you the website portfolios. Okay, so as you can see, this is my own website, Sabi Digital Technologies. All right, this is my own website. This is my own portfolio website. As you can see, this is the white version and it is the first Euro version of this white version. Guess what? I built several Euro sections. As you can see, this one this one just it has just this text. But if you look at the dark version, where's the dark version? You will see it has text, it has images. So the white version also has this Euro section. So there is a lot of customization options for you to make your website different from other people's website. Okay, as you can see, this is my own agency website and I'm using this style. So for now, as you can see, this is it. This is everything. As you can see, this is everything. So it is designed for website designers, strictly for website designers. But maybe you can customize it for a different service like social media management, video editing, and maybe content writing. Okay, so now, as you can see, this is my own. As you can see, this is everything. This is it. Services we offer, landing page, sales funnels. So I'll put the link for you to check them out. Okay, so I'm just showing you this video to make you understand better. All right, so as you can see, so this is the white version. As you can see, so if you click any of these links now, it takes you to that particular section. It does not take you away from the page. This makes it eye converting. Okay, pricing, as you can see, about us, contact us, services. Click the button now, goes back to contact us. Click here, it takes you back to the Euro section. Same thing applies for this one, like so. This is, guys, this is crazy, guys. This template took me several weeks to put together, more than 4 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks, sleepless nights to put together. I don't even know why I'm giving it away for this low price. Well, I guess the reason I'm selling this template, let me be open to you. This template is just a front end offer. So my plan is, when anybody buys this template, if they do not have the time to install the template, I can offer them my installation service where I will set up their website and install the template at a much more higher fee than the little amount you are paying for the template. So this is like a front-end offer. That is why you are seeing this template for that amount you are seeing right now. All right, so when you buy this template, if you can't install it, you have to pay me to install it for you. That way I will make more money from just selling the template. So that's marketing for you guys. So this is dark version. As you can see, dark version, different Euro section. As you can see, guys, this is crazy, guys. This is crazy, guys. So these are my own pages. So let me show you why you need to have a portfolio. Now, if you see these people that bought this template that I also set up their website. Now, if you search for them on Google, this one appears on Google. And guess what? This one is not even using a hosting and domain name, but our website is still appearing on Google. If I click on it now, she's using system for our own website. She used system because she said she didn't have the resources to buy hosting and domain name at that time. So as you can see, this is our own. So you are also going to get the system version. So it depends on you. You can get the WordPress version, you can get the system version, or you get both at a discounted price. Okay, so as you can see, this is the system version now. As you can see, guys, this is crazy, guys. So even if you don't have money to buy hosting and domain name, you can still have your own portfolio live. Once I give you the link, you just click on the link and this page, it will be imported to your website instantly, to be imported to your system account instantly. You get? So as you can see, that is it. So this is for system, all right, for one of my clients. Then if I go to Daspa Digital now, you see it also appears on Google. These guys are taking their business seriously. If a client that knows about them go online and search for them on Google, their site appears and they click, they see their portfolio. Okay, so this person is serious. As you can see, guys, you can see. So this guys, this is crazy. So this, you can see this from this template now. This from my template now. This is where this how I got this other one. As you can see, this is WordPress. All right, this is WordPress. As you can see. So you can see now the way I did this one. If you scroll up, the header appears. If you scroll down, it disappears. Let me reduce it. If you scroll up, it appears. Scroll down, it disappears. So that way it keeps the user focused on the page, but if they scroll up, it appears. Guys, you can do a lot with this template, guys. This template will improve your website design business. It will help you command more respect and help you charge more for your service because you now have evidence for what you say you do. If I go to portfolio now, you see these are designs that I've done. If you click, they work. If you click, except this one currently is down, but I will soon bring it back up and I will tell you how to update the link. I'll give you the new link for this platform, or you can just change it to any other website or any other link you have. If you click here now, you see takes you to my SabiMentors platform. All right, takes you there. So as you can see, so it comes with portfolio done for you that I give you the permission to use as your own. You get? So you can see. So now, if anybody wants to contact you, they simply fill this form, all right, or click here to contact you on WhatsApp. You get? So that's it, guys. So these templates are good. They are solid. All right, they are solid. Initially, I sold the template for 25,000 Naira for just one version, for WordPress version, but you are currently getting it at a discount right now. So go ahead, get the template, install it, and boost your credibility, command more respect, and higher fees for your services. So these templates are simple to install. The for system is just one click. Once I give you the link, you create your system.io account like this. You create your system.io account. Let me go. You create your system.io account. Then you log in. Once you log in, you click the link I will give to you. Once you click, it takes you straight. It imports the template straight, where I have also added the training to show you how to import the template both for WordPress and system.io or system. So let me not talk about that for so long. So that's it, guys. So what else can I tell you about? So just get the template. Then as a bonus, you are also going to get web design cash code training that will show you how to get high paying clients online. To show you everything. It's a very short training, but to show you everything about getting web design clients. You are going to love it, guys. It will also give you my web design millionaire course bundle. This bundle is sold for 25,000 Naira. Okay, but you are going to get it for free. All right, but guess what? This bonuses is for a short time. It won't last long. I'll take them off and replace it with a different bonus. So, but if you are lucky enough, you are going to get this full bundle, which includes several courses. But if you are not lucky enough, you are going to get just my funnel design course and maybe my one-page website design course for free. But anyways, let's see how it goes. I hope to offer you extreme high value for a very low amount of money. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully you are lucky to get this template, that to get this bundle. That is why you should place your order right away. Do not even think about it. You can never go wrong with this investment. With investment of less than 20 US dollars, you are getting a value worth over 500 US dollars. All right, over 500 US dollars. That is the value you are getting. You can never go wrong, whether it's with the template, the knowledge. You can never go wrong. So just go ahead and place your order. The cost is too minimal for what you are getting. So anyways, I wish you the best of luck, and hopefully you take the offer. You can see there's money in website and funnel design, guys. There's money, lots and lots of money to be made. As you can see, these are proofs, lots of proof. I make money almost every week from website design. So you can see this one is 192, 285, 465, 452, 300, 300, 400, 700, 200, and you understand, 7 for one client for websites and funnel design, 700. This one paid 300, 350, I mean. So he sent the first 200, then this one pay 700 at once. This one pay 1.8 million for an e-commerce website. This one was when I was still doing Fiverr back then, 1,500 US dollars from design. This one is 420 from like deposit, not full amount. I charged this client 600k and she paid 420. This one different amounts, 200, 230, 250, 328. This one is how much? 150, 200, 193, 192, 285. Guys, just go ahead, guys, and get the bundle, guys. You are going to love it. So see you on the inside.